Hello, it's Marvin again here. Today I'm going to show you guys on how to get the new shiny, shimmering and splendid super wallpaper from the Mi 10 Ultra on all your MIUI 12 supported devices. In this video, I'm using my Xiaomi's Mi 90 Pro to get the wallpaper working on it. So this wallpaper is using the same concept as the previous super wallpapers that Xiaomi used on the MIUI 12 devices, and especially with those devices that have the OLED screen. They've got 3 different modes of super wallpaper, including one on the always on display mode. There's actually a lot of sites been telling us on how to get the ported version of the wallpaper that actually split into 2 versions, the vertical and the horizontal version. But that was actually just for any other Android devices that is not running the MIUI 12 on their devices, such as on your Samsung devices or perhaps on your Xiaomi phones that runs MIUI 11 or below. Now, as you can see here, my Mi 90 Pro still doesn't have the new Saturn Super Wallpaper on the themes section. There's just only 2, the home and the red planet. And now all we need to do is to visit this URL that I've been set up for you guys here, just to type it on your browser. It's bit.ly/Super Saturn MIUI 12, all in lowercase, and tap enter. Don't worry, it's totally safe. It will just redirect you to a Google Drive link to download the file. Okay, so the file is already downloaded. Make sure it's about 50 megabytes in size. Now we can just tap on it and install right away to update your wallpaper app that has the new Saturn Super Wallpaper on it. And look at this. Faraway rings is showed up on your super wallpaper selection. Let's tap on it and apply. There you go. Boom. And don't worry if you still want to change to the Earth or the Mars version of the super wallpaper, they're still there. That's all for the tutorial. See you in the next video. Marvin out.